Right, this is called amplification. That great distance you see, the demon-possessed are gang stalking where they live, and the helicopter is amplified from here, and this is following from Starbucks at 706 West Hope Boulevard to 650 F Street in Ontario at 9BQG074 24317F2 20806Y2. This is called gang stalking while the people of the state are maintaining relevant positioning, and the entity is gang stalking by helicopter. This is P.O.C. There's the fake moon right over my head. Already, and they were flying in circles at 706 West Hope Boulevard. That's literally traditional stalking in helicopters, and it's identified through the maintenance of the specific environment, the engineered light, the impulsible light activity, the amplification. The helicopter that is amplified at that volume is supernatural. That is a demon at that is engaging in what is gang stalking, which is committed with the people of the state. This is third-party facilitating venue 650 F Street in Ontario, California. Again, license 9BQG074 24317 Frank 2 20806Y2. The people of the state are engaging in surveillance just like they were at Starbucks, as the entity is engaging in what is pacing in a helicopter in relevant position. As I published the podcast, including the kidnapping that occurred by the same gang stalker police department at Woodside Senior Apartments, where the fake sun rises and sets, where the Ontario police engages in what is flying over my head while that fake sun remains for every hour during the day, including flying over the top of my head while that 10:54 a.m. fake sun remains on May 16, 2025, and again at what is 5:45 p.m. where that fake sun is still over the same apartment building, but yet you're seeing it outside of the window of the Omnitrans Route 61 bus at 5 p.m., which is not going to be over the apartment building, where identifying demons who are stalking using helicopters. This is the disbanding of the Ontario Police Department that committed another kidnapping in 2025 with Tracy Banks, who represents the people of the state. This is P.O.C., and this is evidence of following from place to place. West Hope Boulevard to, again, what is 650 F Street in Ontario, California. This is P.O.C. The people of the state will go to federal prison for this. It's not just going to be disbanding the Ontario Police. You're paying attention to what is the same exact focus on me where I'm at. And as I'm documenting license plates, 1LV4FAM, One Love for Fam, is gang stalking. Flying over my head again. And the people of the state are in all of their homes engaging the pattern of conduct. This is what the U.S. government's going to be prosecuted for. License plate 7YSF737 is crossing path, engaging in surveillance at light activity, relevant positioning, and this is demonic pacing when you have more than one patrolling. 9RUX264, and they're gang stalking with the police department. This is public corruption. And this entity engaged in kidnapping together. They're engaged in surveillance together. They engage in obstruction of justice together. They engage in criminal defamation together. They engage in criminal summoning together. And the specific environment is what ties the demon possessed together that are gang stalking. This is the Ontario police that engaged in flying over my head in this direction, and then flying in a circle, flying back over my head in this direction, and the demons are engaging that's demonic pacing. So I'm both exposing the stalking using helicopters, which is proven in the specific environment, and I'm also showing you how the demon possessed are exhibiting the fact that they are indeed demon possessed while they are stalking together as an entity. This is P.O.C. This is 650 F Street in Ontario, California. It's a facilitating venue. As you're prosecuting the people of the state, you're subject to federal prison. You're not hiding in your homes. You're identified and documented in your homes, where you will be subject to federal group prosecution for domestic terrorism and psychological torture. And you will be subject to federal prison when you do so with the gang stalking police who target American citizens in furtherance of murder and kidnapping, just like the Ontario Police Department committed on May 29, 2025. All of those police officers inside of that apartment with Tracy Banks, they're going to federal prison. And this is the entity that's gang stalking with them. This is P.O.C. This is crossing path. That's not exercise. It's P.O.C. It is currently, again, let me show you, 8:22 p.m. where the Ontario police is following in helicopter. P.O.C.